Hey team, Chef Eric Gephart here, hope you're doing well. Today I want to walk you through all the different cuts that I know of in one side of salmon. Think about a cow, many different cuts, different applications for each, different nuances for each. Same thing with side of salmon. Let's get in the action. So today I've chosen my 10-inch Narukami Chef knife. Now I love this because it's got a bit of an exaggerated rocker and I can put a little positive pressure down and making sure I'm cutting through that salmon skin as I'm taking those large strides through. It's a great way, a great knife to break down an entire side of salmon. First thing I like to do is inspect for pin bones. And so we just kind of take our finger, and they have done the perfect job of removing all the pin bones from the fillet. You generally find some in the collar area though. So I've got one there. I'm just gonna use my little pin bone tool here and grab and pull towards the head, and then I'll just slide it right out. Okay, and you just feel with your fingers right there. Beautiful. And looks like that's all we've got to deal with. So let's start from the top and work our way down. First of all, the tenderloin of the entire salmon. This is the most prized cut of the entire salmon for a lot of folks. This is the top loin, all right? The highest amount of flesh to fat ratio. So really firm, really luxurious, very nice for tataki, right? We were just at a block party in St. Petersburg, Florida at Park Shore Grill. Chef Dave White featured a tataki recipe with this cut that was absolutely stunning. All right, let's work our way towards the middle here. We've got the center cut, all right? This is a piece that has more equal balance of fat to flesh. Amazing for sashimi and sushi slices, okay? Doing tasting meals with friends, you just carve this off and it is absolutely stunning. Then we roll into the belly, the favorite of the bears and the wolves, right? The highest of all the omega-3s on this entire fish. It is a great cut. Just sear it briefly on a stone or in a pan. Amazing stuff, okay? Fights anxiety, helps promote healthy brain function, you know, just like the omega-3s, superfood, we know about it. That's where it's jam-packed in there. All right, now we're moving down to that second cut. Notice how this is really consistent from east to west, north to south. This is one of my favorites for grilling for sandwiches or poaching, grill poaching, which is a fun way to do it as well. All right, that is a great cut, many applications there. Now we move on to the tail piece, which has that kind of thick piece of fat running through the center. This is what I'll dice up and turn into poke or tartare, all right, or even salmon burgers. So really great. And let's not forget about the skin. You can crisp that up, a lot of great nutrients in that as well. But remember, one whole entire side of salmon doesn't just taste like salmon when you start comparing it to the other pieces and parts in the side. So a lot of fun to be had within one side of salmon. Just think about what your application is going to be, what your recipe is going to be, and which piece best suits your needs.